Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Rancho Palos Verdes local and long-distance movers near me. Finding the right team to help you move 100 miles or more is a big deal. You need movers that know how to handle a long-distance move. Our team makes sure you get the most out of your move no matter how far you need to go. Move one state over or across the entire country with our help. We can provide the following additional moving services: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Hiring a local California moving company means you get the best help for your local move. Whether you're moving a few streets over or across the city, the right moving company makes it so much easier. Our movers will take the heavy lifting off your shoulders and save you a ton of time. With 3 movers, you get a streamlined moving day. We get you to your new location sooner and get you settled in faster. A move that would take you all weekend, we get done in a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rancho Palos Verdes moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.